In front of me is DOOGEE S86 Pro, and let me show you how to change date and time on this phone. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select System, and go to Date and Time. And now you can either use network provided time or you can switch it off, and now you can manage it manually by yourself. So first of all, let me choose date. Let's go back in time, and then also time. And that's it. You can also change the time zone, so smoothly switch off network provided time zone and pick the one that you would like to apply. And that's it. This is how you can manage date and time. Then whenever you wish to go back to automatic setup, just click on network or GPS provided time and also time zone. So this is it. That will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.